Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
The next question is from May-June 2007, question 13. So question wants us to get the correct statement about this structure. So let's go into the structure of this molecule. So we have nitrogen atom bonded to 3 CH3. Then nitrogen will contribute its lone pair to form a dative bond to aluminium, where this aluminium is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms. So looking into this structure, we could actually move into the answer. So A, it's wrong, is because the requirement to form a hydrogen bond, the molecule must have H that bonded to N, nitrogen atom, or O, oxygen atom, or F, fluorine atom. So where we do not have hydrogen that bonded to NO or F here, and these hydrogen atoms are bonded to carbon atoms. So therefore, there's no hydrogen bond in this molecule. So next, B, it's wrong, is because dimer must be from 2 same molecules. So next, C. So octet arrangement means the atom achieve the full electron arrangement. So in this case, aluminium has an incomplete octet of electrons. It's wrong. It's because after sharing, aluminium has achieved the octet arrangement because it has received the lone pair of nitrogen to achieve octet. So it has 8 electrons after sharing, which is an octet arrangement of electrons. So lastly, D is the answer because aluminium has 4 bonding pair of electron and 0 lone pair, where these will give us tetrahedral in shape. So the answer is D for this question. That's all for today. Thanks.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.